What if two simple seeds can help your natural hair stay moisturized, softer and easier to manage? Just a lighter herbal spray you can easily make at home. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. In today's video, I want us to make a fenugreek and flaxseed spray together using the infusion method. This is one of the sprays I use in my routine to help my natural hair stay hydrated, especially when my hair feels dry. Let's talk about why these two seeds are good for natural hair. Fenugreek helps the hair stay stronger and reduce breakage. Flaxseed helps the hair hold moisture and stay soft. When we use them together, it helps support moisture and softness, especially for dry natural hair. I added the fenugreek and flaxseed into a clean jar. Then I added some warm water. And covered it. I allowed it to sit overnight. After the infusion was ready, I strained it. This helps remove the seeds and makes the spray smooth so it won't block the spray bottle. Take your time here, a smooth spray makes application easier. After straining, I added a few drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is something I personally like to include because it helps keep my scalp feeling fresh. I only added a small amount since essential oils are very concentrated. This is optional, so you can decide what works best for you. After that, I poured the mixture into a clean spray bottle, and just like that, the spray is ready. This spray is one of the sprays I include in my routine. I sprayed it on my hair, focusing more on dry areas and my ends. Because this is a natural spray, it does not last forever. You can store it in the refrigerator or make small batches and finish it quickly. After spraying, I seal in the moisture with my DIY aloe vera oil. The full video is on my channel. You can check it out after watching this one. This step is very essential to keep the moisture longer. Natural hair is a journey. The key is patience and consistency. Be gentle with your hair. Simple routine like this can still give you a beautiful result. If this video helped you, please like it. It really supports my channel. If you are new here, you are very welcome. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and may God bless you and your hair journey. I will see you in my next video. Bye.